Hi, this is the model TV. Let's see how we can design this beautiful crinoline fascinator with millinery wire. Crinoline 2.5 yards is what I'm using here, but most suitable will be 3 yards for this design. Then thread and needle. Then you place the wire in between the crinoline. That's after folding it into two. You tie it up to secure the end, then sew it from the beginning to the end. You attach the millinery wire to the crinoline and sew it up together. Very simple. Now I want to have a word with you. Have you subscribed to the model TV? Where are you watching me from? Let me hear from you in the comment section. Also, I want to know, do you find the model videos helpful? If yes, leave a comment for me in the comment section. If no, I still want to hear from you. Yeah, it's feedback time. Let me have a feedback from you. Do you find these videos, these tutorials helpful? Does it add value? What's your observation so far? What am I doing right? What am I doing wrong? What should I add, to this to make it more valuable? Just leave a comment for me in the comment section. I will really appreciate. And don't walk away without liking this video. So give it a thumbs up. This design is very simple. It's just like playing with your crinoline, like making a ring fascinator with crinoline, this time not boning. So after you must have attached the millinery wire to the crinoline, this is how it looks like. So we'll pipe it with bias. This is a velvet bias, 1 inch. You can use ½ inch. You can use the conventional bias. It will still do the work. You can use gum to do this. I just showed you that, but I want to sew. I'll be sewing it more economical and secure to sew. That is if you are using the 1 inch or ½ inch bias. Okay, so let's run it down. This is just the work here, piping the crinoline with bias, attaching the millinery wire to the crinoline. That's just the major part of this design. After this, it is just playing with the crane to bring out different styles depending on what you want. I can tell you that you can make any design you want with what we have here. You can make different beautiful unique designs with this thing, like the spiral fascinator, like the crinoline swirl, like even the ring fascinator that you see. It is just being creative. When you are done with this, wherever you bend it to, it will give you something very unique. So try it out. I promise you it will sure look good on you. Just try it with a sharp color. You like it. So this is me running stitches, just attaching the bias to the crinoline with the wire. While doing this, you have to be careful. Remember, there's a wire inside so you don't break your machine needle. Okay, I'm done with that. So let's see how we will play with the crinoline to come up with that unique style. You can make it bigger, you can make it longer, it all depends on what you want. Like I'll be making two loops. You can make 3, you can make 4, 5. It depends on how loud you want the fascinator to be, or should I say, depends on how fascinating you want the fascinator to be. So my crinoline is 2.5 yards, and the velvet bias is also 2.5 yards. Same with the millinery wire. That's the measurements. You can do a longer one. 3 yards is okay. 4 will be fine. Depends on what you want. So as I was telling you, you can play with this thing and come up with any design of your choice and it will come out beautiful. So it's just for you to flip it, turn it, twist it, bend it, and see what it will give you, and you go with the best design. So I didn't want a very loud or a very big one, just very moderate, so that's why I'm making just 2 loops and 2 coil at both ends. It's up to you to play with yours and come up with something very unique. So this is it. Just attach it to the Alice band, then have the remaining part of the crinoline twisted into a coil, a swirl, a spiral, whatsoever you call it. That is what it is. So you can take it up, you can bring it down, you can put it into the rings. It all depends on you. So let me hear from you in the comment section. How do you see this design? Will you be trying it out? Is it nice? Do you like it? Let me hear from you. And where are you watching from? Love you. See you in my next video. Just take a look at the outcome of this design. You can go extra miles, attach feathers or whatsoever you want to attach. Anything, it's up to you. It's your creation, so you can do it the way you want it. This is how I wanted mine. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. What will you be giving me? Is it 10 over 10 across boards? Leave a comment. See you in my next video. Like, share, and subscribe to the Model TV.